friends. Today I am outside waiting for Marina at the station because we're gonna have a cafe date. So I'm just looking out for her in case she goes down the escalator rather. So yeah, that's what will happen today. The vlogger. Hey, can you please plug in your vlog here?
It's tea time with Marina.
Okay,
yeah.
So put the link in the description box.
And I'll put a link of your YouTube on my blog.
Oh, thank you. We've arrived. What floor is this?
675. Third floor, baby.
Wait, so this is second, right?
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so glad we did this place. That is...
Okay, I'll take a picture of your order, yeah.
Oh my god.
Explain where we are.
Okay, so we're in Kobe and we're at the Peanuts Diner. Like, can you believe that?
So
I mean, everything is like the curtains. Look at the curtains. Oh my god. Really, I'm fangirling so much.
Are you in love? It's been a dream of mine to go here.
Really?
Yeah, because
Okay,
I was
good.
like, oh, this is a great opportunity to invite someone else to go with me
I'm
here.
so glad you called me. This is gonna make such a great vlog. Look at that. Oh my god.
The VR it's better than yours.
Instagrammable. Yeah. Super. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Come on. It's mango. Is this mango?
Oh, really? Mine's strawberry.
We should make a review. We just got out, by the way.
Are we doing like a star review? Like out of
Oh,
5?
okay. We could.
Okay, let's go 3, 2, 1. I'll do
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
5.
4. What? I'm sorry. Okay, it's a 5.
It was
like,
cute. I mean,
yeah.
it's not like the best place
Yeah,
food-wise,
that's why.
but it's like more of an experience. Like
the price, it's affordable. It's not super expensive.
did you pay already? Oh my god!
we could just get out without paying.
No, wait, you gotta pay your bag, bitch!
No. Price, I'm sorry, but yes, it is affordable.
Can you believe her?
guys.
Can you believe her?
Next time when I go to Kyoto, you should treat me.
Okay, you better not back down then.
You forgot. You completely forgot.
I
You were just like,
completely forgot. I was like,
I thought you
that's
knew.
bad.
I thought you knew.
I didn't even think about it.
Hey,
bad,
you could go out of a restaurant next time without knowing you paid.
Yeah, dine and dash. Okay, next time in Kyoto then.
Yeah,
I'll
next
take the
time.
best spots.
Yay.
You guys have to support me on this one, okay?
Bye.
Another guy looking for
Good morning, everybody. Oh, that was so fun. Anyway, today I just finished work, by the way. So I'm working from home today because this afternoon, which is right now, I am going to Sannomiya and later on a cruise with the Kobe PRA. So I think it's one of the perks of being a Kobe PRA. You get to go to a cruise around Kobe and also get to see stuff that you never really get to visit even though you live in Kobe. So I'm excited to let you guys see the cruise of Kobe. And I'm so sorry if it's super noisy right here. There's so many cars and I'm just waiting for the bus and the bus stop is right over there. So I'm coming there. Bye. and the vlogger. Hello, photographer. It's nice to see you again.
Hi everyone, how are you?
Chibi, how are you?
I'm very pretty fine.
Your arms around me, I guess I'm falling in love. Baby, you're my rock.
So, I've met with the PRAs and we're on our way to the B Kobe to have our picture taken, and after that we will go to the boat. It was really nice getting to know them again and meeting them, so I'm super excited.
Sitting by you, we get high.
Hello.
We are searching for the Kobe PRS. They
They left us.
They left us in
We
the
were-
middle of the sea.
We were busy talking about skiing and our winter vacation that we didn't see them leave. So that's a fail.
So
Now we still can't find them.
we can't find them.
And we're gonna be left. What if the boat leaves without us?
Yeah, maybe boat is what?
Hello, I'm on the boat! And it's so pretty! I could do my Titanic thing here. Ta-da! Welcome to Kobe! It's amazing here. Okay, I'm gonna do some B-rolls. We are now inside the royal room of the boat. So yes, I can enter here because I'm special. Just kidding. It's been a great adventure so far, and I want to invite one of my Kobe PRAs in here to interview maybe someone. So I'll see who I can interview. So I pulled Joe, my newfound friend from Myanmar. Anyway, he's Joe and he's another Kobe PR ambassador. So how was the trip so far?
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, enjoyed the water. The inside looks gorgeous.
Yeah, the boat has like very intricate designs and stuff. I didn't expect it to be this pretty, honestly.
It's like a small ginger.
One of our friends is in there. She just said hi to us. Hi. Okay, so anyway, I think that's all. I'm sorry for using your time.
It's okay.
Bye bye. Can you say bye bye? Bye bye. Hello. We're going to IKEA to just check out some stuff I will need in my apartment, which is soon. So yeah, I'm with my mom. She arrived in Japan. Hello. Hello guys. Okay, bye-bye. This is the playground for adults.
On the street, I'm just smiling big at everybody. 2 more blocks and I'll be at your door. Overcome, brother, nothing keeps me melancholy. Spread my wings, so damn ready to soar. And there couldn't be a better taste. After everything I faced, I send a little luck my way. Send a little bright sun ray to hit my skin. Dream that I cannot erase. Keep it in a little case. Truth be told, is I've never felt better. And if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together. Because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light. inside of my mind. I love you in a way that has been hard to define. Let's go out, let's go dancing tonight. Adrenaline is pumping, engines up for the flight. And there couldn't be a better taste after everything I faced. I send a little luck my way, send a little bright sun ray to hit my skin. Dream that I cannot erase, keep it in a little case. Oh. Truth be told, is I've never felt better. And if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're